Hey, the Hermit here in another beauty spot on the North Face Trail. The reason for this video I'll tell you in a minute, but we got to give you the full panorama first. So I'm going to get out of the picture and just do it with nothing blocking the view, but the Eiger is sticking up behind the Schwarzmond, and look at that steep face on Schwarzmond. Believe it or not, that's been climbed. It first was climbed by some Czechs, I think, in not that long ago. And we go up to the Jungfrau. The Mönch itself, I think, is behind Schwarzmond, or maybe it's that thing in the gap between Schwarzmond and Jungfrau. And on the face of the Jungfrau, the paragliders. You may be able to spot one. I can see one right now, but it's hard to zoom in on the right spot. Okay, and then we go around to a number of peaks that I'm not sure all the names of. Although this trail has interpretive signs that have told me, the one I remember there is the Breithorn under the cloud, just being touched by the cloud, and then the lower mountains and the trail, and a bird soaring. Okay, the reason for this video is, can you hear the kind of low roaring? Oh well, now there's another paraglider above the waterfall. There's a waterfall across this valley. It's probably 3, 4, or 5 miles away, but you can hear it. And it's so quiet you can't hear anything else. Occasionally there's a crow. You may be able to see the red paraglider and the pale blue one over on the left. I don't see the red one at the moment, but they seem to be coming down. They were way up on the Jungfrau. This is just a really beautiful day. The Breithorn's got a cloud. We're probably going to get clouds in the afternoon, but right now it's about noon and we don't have clouds at all on the big peaks. Alright, Hermit on the North Face Trail, watching that